just going to put it to thaw out. We've got here some vinegar. Have the vinegar all over, and we also have some lemon juice. Okay, so we're gonna leave this to thaw out for a little while. So now this is all washed and ready to be seasoned. So first things first, just gonna add some all-purpose seasoning in here. Okay, now just rub it in all over. I do this and then I add the rest of the ingredients. So now we're gonna add some chicken seasoning, some onions that's already been chopped and washed. Some sweet peppers that's already been chopped and washed. Garlic powder. Some barbecue sauce. And we got some jerk seasoning there. Added a bit of water to it, guys, because we need that. And then we just rub it in, rub it all in, and then we're gonna let it marinate for some time. Okay, it can be an hour, 2 hours, over how long. Put it in the Ninja Foodi for 30 minutes on pressure cooker, and then we bake for another 20 minutes. So now it's been marinated, guys. Don't forget your Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the seasoning. Got some seasoning all over. Now we're gonna close down the Ninja Foodi and we're gonna put it on pressure cook for 30 minutes on low. And that's start like 30 minutes. And there you have it. Okay guys, so today we've got some gungo peas. Got the gungo peas right here, and I've already washed and put it in the container with some water, and I'm gonna put it to pressure cook in my Ninja Foodi for about 30 minutes. Okay, so here we have it. It's already washed and put in the pot, so you can see, with some water. Okay guys, the peas is ready, and I've got some coconut milk here. Just gonna put just a piece in there. I've started putting pieces of the coconut milk already in there. So I'm gonna add some tomato. Also gonna add thyme. The bigger parts. So that's the thyme. Also gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. That's one. That's two. Next thing I have here is some escallion. Wrap them up like so, and drop them in. So let that boil for another 20 minutes, and then afterwards we'll add the rice and a green Scotch bonnet pepper and cover to steam. So don't forget your Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, I've transferred it into a bigger pot, guys. Okay, so it's now ready to steam for about 20 minutes. Let's cover this up. There you have it. Okay, so here is it, guys. Our barbecue baked chicken. The steam is coming up from the pot. That's why the camera is going a bit dark. And here we have our gungo peas and rice, escallion and the pepper, the pimento seed, all intact. So let's share some food now. Okay guys, so here we have it, our barbecue baked chicken, gungo peas and rice, and our vegetable salad. And I've put some pink lady apples in my vegetable salad. Okay, so we got purple cabbage, green cabbage, carrots, and some pink lady apples. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now. See you soon.